GKids Learning. In this video, you will learn "Want to Buckle My Shoe" rhyme. Now I am going to sing rhyme for you all. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Now sing with me. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. I hope you all enjoyed this. The video, please like the video and share the video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Keep on watching. Thank you.